your day, your moment. Yeah, my weekend is here on Bicol. I'll massage your neck. Oh, Jason, Tyler gonna massage your neck. But I'm off for a couple of days. Yeah, maybe you're very busy. Yeah, he's gonna massage, no yours. He's gonna massage your neck and then grip harder. I hold it harder. So you're gonna be suffocated and you cannot breathe. Try it. It's just my imagination. He's talking about you. Ah, you're talking about me. I don't like that. I want you to massage my back. Just like that. Back. Because I think my back is your English is what's my English? Why you don't why Jason just understand me and you're next time I will learn something new from English making I know how to say this when I speak English. It's really hard to prove to you guys. I understand. It's just choppy. Maybe it's because internet, right, Chasers? You sound tired. Oh, I'm just started my live, Jason. You want me to end live? You want me end live so fast? Because you speak not fluent. OMG, see that? I'm really not good in English. I admit it. Because, I'm not I didn't go to school. I did go to school, you know, but I didn't go in college. That's why my English like this. I go Roma. And it's okay if my English is no good. Squint, squint. Yeah. Actually, I'll try my best to speak very well and fluently, but seems not enough to prove it to you guys. So it's okay. Mhm. Baby, think so you can do. No, it's a gambling. It's not, give us contribute. It's a gambling. Yeah. Gambling, it's not, kill us contribute. Kill it, hello. Um, Hi, Benja. Hmm. Tapos daw dayon job. Buwas daw. Dadad unon is no. Tyler. Wait lang, may binabasa kasi ako. Because my dog gonna bring to my hometown. Ano yun? Uy, thank you. Sino yun? No name, thank you po. Thanks, no name. Ikaw nga, hi Minju Shai. Sino to? Upload na Minju Shai. Pink Diamond. Sige, go. Ay, no, 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 no. It's a gambling. It's gambling.